Welcome back, everyone. So, today's video lesson is a follow up lesson from our previous Bill Shock lesson, where we were discussing about the services which were showing as active in our AWS console, even though the services were not active. So, as I mentioned and promised, like I will be doing a follow up video on that particular problem definition. And if you want to get a background of this particular problem definition video, please go through that particular video, which I will also put it in my description as well as in the above card section. So first of all, to give you a high level background, like when we actually went inside our billing dashboard earlier, we were seeing like there were around 10 services which were active, but as we saw, like none of them were running. But in this particular section, after my follow-up and giving them all the screenshots, now when I log in today, I see the total number of active services as 1. That's a very good point to note, because I think that's being resolved by AWS. But let's see like what's that particular service. So it is showing me, let's go to the bills first. And you can see there is one CloudWatch service, which is in Asia Pac region, and it is still 0, but I don't want to run that service like that. I want to keep it as 0. So what I'll do is I'll go to CloudWatch and we'll see like if there are any active services. So in alarms dashboard, I don't see anything. In alarms, there is nothing. All alarms, there is nothing. Log groups, let's see. Okay, I have the log group created automatically when I created the DB instance for RDS video. So let's see the details here. So we see like it was created 5 days ago and it was in AP Southeast 1 and it is for RDS metrics, right? So this is what is the log stream and the log group. So what we can do is we can quickly go here and delete this log stream. Also, we can go again to the RDSO metrics log group, and what we can do is we can actually delete log groups. So the following log groups have been deleted, and I should not see any of these particular services as active in the next run. And whenever I log in next, maybe it will take some time to reflect. So I will log in tomorrow and see like if it's showing any more active services. Just on a quick note, I also want to show you like what happened on the follow-ups with the support center of AWS. It's a very good follow-up from AWS. That's why I am very a fan of AWS, working with them. So here is my ticket, and they were telling me to send some screenshots and other things. So here I put the screenshot and uh, the details they wanted. And the thing is that they didn't mention like how it was resolved. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna reply them. Hi, may I know how the issue was resolved? I see only one service now as active, which is correct. Many thanks. Said I'll do a submit. Right. So that's all for this particular video. I hope you got some value from this one, and please make sure that you are always checking your bills and your amount incurred time to time so that you don't get a bill shock. And if required, just raise a case with AWS. They are very proficient and they are very good in actually follow up. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.